As you trim your chicken, be mindful of the shape. Remember, you need 6 identical pieces to turn in. I first learned competition chicken by scraping the skin. I know a lot of people don't like to do it, found ways around it, but I've never had an issue with bite through skin. And when you scrape the skin, remember, it's all about the shape of your thigh. Don't be scared to put it back on, take it off, shape it to where you want it. Tweezers are a must. Takes off that little hair and any blemishes that you might have on it. I find taking off the one knuckle makes it a lot easier to shape your chicken thigh. And then if you flip it over, if the cartilage is off or a piece of the bone, make sure you get that off. You don't want a judge biting into it, cutting your lip. As you learn to trim your chicken, it goes a lot faster than what it really looks like. I could probably get through 16 thighs in probably an hour's time. They call it the perfect pillow. Remember, competition chicken is one bite to the judges. You want all the flavor that you can. I find brining helps with the flavor and keeps it moist. Now it's time to add your rub. Start building your own flavor profile. Start with what you like and go from there. I found that building layers helps. Everything else with competition chicken or competition meats in general, you want to pack as much flavor as possible, and it doesn't stop with the pellets. Use the best that you possibly can. I try to get as much smoke flavor as I can out off the start. If you have a smoke mode, put it on your smoke mode. If not, put it between 160 and 180. While it's butter bath time, take off the smoker, place it in a metal tray. I use the metal tray because I hate spending money on disposable tin foil trays. Place a butter on each piece of butter on each of the thighs, and then cover, and then put it back into the grill, 270 to 290. After about an hour, I'll pull the chicken and I'll start getting the temperature on it. Usually I'll pull it at about 196 around there, and then I'll sauce it. As for sauce, use whatever you kind of like and just build your flavor profile. My first comp, believe it or not, I used Sweet Baby Ray's and it came in 9th. That metal tray just came from an old Bradley smoker. After you pull your chicken, pull out the 6 perfect pieces, place them in your box, and get ready for turn-in. Thanks for watching our first video. Hopefully you caught a tidbit here or there that'll help you with your barbecue chicken. Remember, always ask questions. Every team's out there willing to help. I haven't met one that hasn't.